Hey, welcome everybody. Today on Tiny House, Tiny Farm, we're going to teach you our super secret granola recipe. And trust me when I say, when you're done with this, you won't want to put it down. I look really red. Am I that red? A little red.
One of the biggest questions I get about granola is why make it at home when you can buy it in a grocery store? And while that's true, you won't find the same ingredients, you won't be able to mix and match, and you won't be able to customize it as much as you want just to make the perfect granola just for you. Now, a lot of what I'm about to show you, you can customize yourself. You can mix and match the fruits, you can mix and match nuts, you can mix and match the seeds if you want to. The whole point is that you're going to end up with a granola that is made just for you, to your taste. For this recipe, you are going to need pumpkin seed, hemp heart, whole cashews, rolled oats, vanilla extract, coconut oil, cinnamon, maple syrup, salt, and dried fruit. Set your oven to 350 degrees and cue the epic mixing music.
Oh, that's so good. I'm never going to have store-bought granola again.
As promised, here's our recipe. Pretty much just got it off of ChatGPT, but it is really good. Let me know what kind of combinations you come up with in the comments.
Yummers, man. This is good.
I guess it's good enough to love, huh?